Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the clips in your Clickup account. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we have to go to the clips option. So as you can see, I'm going to click on the clips option, and after clicking on the clips option, as you can see, different types of options are provided here. Record a snap. The description is also written here. Unlock sense productivity, watch, share, collaborate. So now simply if you want to create a new clip, then you have to click on the create a clip or which type of clip you want to create. As you can see, start recording. If you want to start your recording, you have to click on this, and we have to click on the microphone. Currently I'm using the microphone, that's why it's here no microphone. If you want to click on the new clip, you can also do that. As you can see, these both options have the same function, like the new clip and the create clip. So in this way you can record the clip on your ClickUp account. It's very easy to understand. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.